Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn the exclusive gates. Now, what are the exclusive gates? There are two exclusive gates, XOR and XNOR. Okay, so it is also called exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gates. Okay, now first of all I will explain XOR gate. XOR, exclusive OR gate. Full form is exclusive OR. What is the full form of exclusive? XNOR, exclusive NOR. Okay, so first is exclusive XOR gate. Now what is XOR gate? It will in same input output will be 0. Same input means 0 0 and 1 1. Okay, in same input output will be 0. Now if I make a truth table, A and B, and this is Y, 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, now what is the output of XOR gate? In same input output will be 0. This is the same input, output is 0. Same input, output is 0. Rest output will be 1. So this is the truth table for XOR gate. Now what will be the symbol? Symbol will be, because it is XOR, so it will be like that. It will be OR, and we will add one additional line here, and it will be like that. A, B, and how will I write it? A, B, plus and circle. Okay, so this is the symbol, and what will be the expression? Expression will be A plus B, like that. Okay, this is the XOR gate. Now what will be XNOR? XNOR is nothing, not XOR. Simply XNOR is not XOR. It is not XOR. Okay, so what will be the output? A, B, and Y, 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Now what is XOR? Same input, output will be 0. So here I just need to do opposite of that. So here I will write 1, here I will write 1, here will be 0, here will be 0. Here you can say in XNOR, in same input output will be 1. That is XNOR. Okay, now what will be the symbol of XNOR? It will be like that, and here I will add that circle. This circle will indicate the NOT. This is A, this is B, and this is Y. Now what will be the Boolean algebraic expression? It will be A, B. This is the XOR, and is it XNOR? Then I will add that bar. It will indicate the NOT of that. Okay, so these are the two exclusive gate, XOR and XNOR. And after this video, we have covered all the gates that are used in Boolean algebra. Now our next topic is principle of duality. So for principle of duality, there are only two rules. First of all, if we find 0, we will convert it into 1, and if I find 1, I will convert it into 0. Rule number 2, if I find AND gate, I will convert it into OR, and if I find OR gate, I will convert it into AND. Okay, so one question can be asked in your examination, and there will be one Boolean expression, and you have to find the dual of that. Now question is that This is the question and you have to find out dual of that. So what will be dual of that? Now this is A. Now this is dot. Dot means and. Now and will be converted into or. Now this is 0. 0 will be converted into 1. Okay, now this is plus. So this plus will be converted. I will use that bracket here. Now this is plus. This is not plus. This is or. Or will convert into and. Then it will be dot. Now this is 1. I will start the bracket again. This 1 will be converted into 0. Now this is dot. Dot is and will be converted into or. And this is B. Again I will close the bracket. This is plus. Plus will be converted into dot. Now this is A. This is dot. This will be converted into plus. This is plus. So this is dual of that expression. Okay. So there is one more example. This expression and you have to find a dual of that. What will be the dual of that? A plus B. If there is nothing written, it will indicate the A and B. This is C and D and E. This is A and E and F. Okay. If dot is not written in your question, then you will consider dot in between that. A plus B, then here plus will be converted into dot, then C plus D plus E, then again dot, then A plus E plus F. This is the dual of that expression. Okay student, that's it for today. Thank you and keep learning.